Sure, we all want to live long lives, but not at the expense of our health. Even the mythical fountain of youth was supposed to do two things: extend lifespan and cure sickness. Thanks to science, the average human lifespan has doubled since 1900. But decreasing mortality for certain diseases has paved the way for late onset ones like diabetes, chronic kidney disease, and dementia. That's why aging research now focuses on extending health span, not just lifespan. For instance, it might be a long time before we are able to prevent Alzheimer's disease. But maybe sooner, we'll learn how to protect our brains against its worst symptoms so we can live long and healthy lives. Phew! And that's a whole human lifespan in just a minute!